Hello friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video, I will show you how to crochet this beautiful post stitch flower. So to make this flower, I am using a 4mm crochet hook size and this 3-ply yarn. So first of all, make a slip knot and then with the help of crochet hook start making chains. Chain 1, chain 2, chain 3 and then chain 4. Then make a slip stitch into the first chain to form a ring. To start the first round, make chain 1 and then chain 2, wrap the yarn around the crochet hook, go into this ring and then draw a loop. We have 3 loops on our hook. Pull the yarn through first 2 loops and then through other 2 loops. So this is our double crochet stitch. Now again wrap the yarn, go into the ring and draw a loop. Pull the yarn through first 2 and then pull the yarn through other 2. This is our second double crochet stitch. Then make double crochet 3, double crochet 4, double crochet 5, and in this way make total of 12 double crochet stitches into the ring. I have made 12 double crochet stitches. Now make a slip stitch into the very first double crochet stitch and first round is completed. Now just cut this starting yarn and start the second round by making 2 chains. Then into this double crochet stitch where we have made a slip stitch, make a double crochet and then wrap the yarn around the crochet hook and go from the front side of this double crochet stitch to the back side, you can see here, and then to the front side again and draw a loop, pull the yarn through 2 loops and then through other 2 loops to make a front post double crochet stitch. Then make a double crochet into the second double crochet stitch, then into the same stitch, go from front to back and then back to front and draw a loop and make a front post double crochet stitch into it. Then go into the third double crochet stitch and make a double crochet in it. Then go from front to back and make a front post double crochet stitch into this stitch also. Then make a double crochet into the next and a front post double crochet into the same stitch also. Just repeat the process of making a double crochet and a front post double crochet in each of the double crochet stitch of the first round and complete this second round. I have just made all double crochet stitches of the second round. Now make a slip stitch into the very first double crochet stitch of the second round. To start the third round, make 2 chains and make a double crochet into the same double crochet stitch. Then make a double crochet into this front post double crochet stitch, then into the same front post double crochet stitch, make a front post double crochet, then here is our simple double crochet stitch, make a double crochet in it Then the next one is a front post double crochet stitch. Make a front post double crochet in it. Then into the same front post double crochet stitch we would make a front post double crochet also. Make a double crochet into the next double crochet stitch. Make a front post double crochet into the front post double crochet stitch, and then into the same front post make a front post double crochet also, and just complete making these double crochet stitches for the third round. I have made all stitches. Make a slip stitch into the very first double crochet stitch. Now we would make shells. Make chain 1 and make a single crochet into this same double crochet stitch where we have made our slip stitch. Now here is our front post double crochet stitch, which is the third stitch. Start making double crochets into it. Double crochet 1, double crochet 2, double crochet 3, double crochet 4, double crochet 5, double crochet 6, and the last one is double crochet 7. After making 7 double crochet stitches into this front post stitch, we would just skip 2 stitches, go into the third one, which is the front post stitch, and we would make a single crochet into it. Now skip 2 stitches again, go into the third front post stitch and start making a shell in it. Double crochet 2, double crochet 3, double crochet 4, double crochet 5, double crochet 6, and double crochet 7. After making 7 double crochet stitches, make a single crochet into the next front post double crochet stitch. Just make a shell of 7 double crochet stitches in the one front post, and into the next one make single crochet and complete this round. Now we would just make a slip stitch into the very first single crochet stitch of this round, and then pull the yarn, cut it with the help of cutter, and remove the extra yarn strand. Now we would just weave this yarn end with the help of yarn needle or tapestry needle. I am using a tapestry needle here, so just make a knot like this way, and then weave this yarn end in some backside stitches. And now cut the extra yarn strand, and this beautiful flower is ready. I hope you like this. Give it big thumbs up if you like, and don't forget to subscribe and press the bell icon and then all option to get notifications of future updates. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.